Hello, I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW and Multisim. If you want to give the CLAD exam, National Instruments Certified LabVIEW Associate Developer exam, so for that, how can you register? I had make a video related to it. So if you want to give the CLAD exam, so you have to search the CLAD exam, then you have to come into this by clicking this link. You will come here. When you will click here, register to take exam, CLAD exam, so you will come here. How can you register? How can you create? How can you schedule your exam? That's I have explained on my first video. Okay, in this video we will see how can we get that discount coupon or that discount brochure for our CLAD exam, because the CLAD exam charge is $99. Okay, and the VAT is 18%, so it is completely one okay $116. So if you don't want to pay completely $116, so for that you need a discount coupon or the free entry browser, which using that you can get some discount, and you have to pay some less amount of money. Usually NI provide the near about 75%, 74 to 75% discount, 74 to 75% discount for for the CLAD exam for the student. So how can you apply for the how can you apply for this discount? That is the question. So if you will search how can I get a CLAD exam related discount, so you will not find that particular link. Okay, so I have this mail, and I have this link, so which I am going to open here. So here I am going to fill this form. Okay, I will share this link on if you like or comment, or if you ask, so I will share this link. I have this link, and using this I can avail. Suppose okay, I'm going to show you. Look at here. Earlier I had given this exam, and this was my that browser code. Okay, if I will use this browser code here, so look at here it. Okay, now let's see. Okay, it's expired. Discount coupon browser has been expired. So how can we get this one? So for that you have to come here, and here I'm going to write my name, and ITES Nitesh Pradhan, gmail.com. Then my company name, if suppose I am studying in NIT RAIPU or NIT Raipur. Okay, okay, NIT RAIPU or Raipur C.G Chhattisgarh. Okay, NIT Raipur C.G Chhattisgarh. My phone number here I am going to write 146306. Okay, CLAD, and exam date 19th 11 2022. Okay, let's see. And okay, additional comments. I want to give CNI CLAD exam. Okay, after 27 hours, within the 27 hours we will get a mail. Okay, we will get a mail. Using that mail we'll see. Okay, using that mail we'll get that particular browser number. Okay, and you will receive a mail like this. You will get a you will receive a mail like this for your CLAD exam. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.